Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
There were a set of 3 or 4 young men who appeared to be similar in all the cases, who had entered the ATM along with the victim, and they tried to divert the attention of the victim, and then by diverting the attention of the victim they would exchange the ATM card of the victim with some other ATM card and keep the real ATM card with themselves, the ATM card of the victim, and they would make transactions using the ATM card. So in Mapusa alone, 1.5 lakh rupees were transferred from the ATM card of the victim, which was stolen from the ATM. They are all in custody now. Their interrogation and further questioning is going on. We have recovered 8 ATM cards which seem to be belonging to victims, and around 55 other ATM cards which they were using for exchanging with the real ATM cards. And we have also recovered 2 POS machines which they were using to swipe the ATM cards and transfer money to their own accounts. So this is how they were operating. So those POS machines have also been seized, and we have frozen the bank accounts to which the money was being transferred. So our focus right now is on ensuring that we can bring some relief to the victims.